gorgeous, welcome back. So the wig I'll be revealing today is from Shine Hair. It came in this gorgeous bag. You can see how gorgeous is this bag. You can use it for multiple use. So that is the wig, and so many goodies came with it. All these you're seeing right here came with the wig, and if you order, they are going to come with your wig too. The length is 24 inches and the wig is Bodywave. So that's the hairline. The lace is 7 by 5. Look at how gorgeous the hairline looks. It came plucked. And look at it on my hand. Look at how blended it is on my hand. It blends with my hand because the knot came bleached. That's the construction of the inside. I said the lace is 7 by 5 lace, and that's the adjustable strap. Okay, this is a detachable adjustable strap. So the hair came bleached, but I just add this because when I wore it on my hair, it did not really blend with my skin, so I had to apply this on it. So after that, I blow dry it. So installation, let's pop this wig on. Because just in case if you are interested, all information of this wig will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out if you are interested. I like the hair. It's Bodywave, and there was nothing like shedding from the hair. Look at it on my head. Just look at it. Wow, it looks so beautiful. I've not done anything on it.
You so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. Look, we could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dressing, gone flex and hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Before the moment slowly slips away.